Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure personal training with Anytime Fitness, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Anytime Fitness website. Navigate to the personal training section. Click on Find a Trainer. You will see a list of available trainers. Select a trainer that suits your needs. Review their qualifications and specialties. Once you've chosen a trainer, click on their profile. Look for the Schedule a Session button. Choose a date and time that works for you. Fill in the required information for the booking. If applicable, select a package or session type. Proceed to the Payments section. Enter your payment details securely. Confirm your booking by clicking Submit. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Log into the app with your account details. Here, you can manage your sessions easily. Feel free to reach out to your trainer with any questions. Prepare for your first session by setting fitness goals. Enjoy your personal training experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.